Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a super straightforward guide on how to deposit money from Remitly to your Revolut account in 2025. With the ever-evolving world of digital finance, this process has become even easier and more secure, helping you manage international transfers like a pro. Whether you're receiving remittances or just moving funds between services, this step-by-step tutorial will get you sorted in no time. First things first, make sure you have both your Remitly and Revolut accounts set up and verified. This is crucial for smooth transactions. Start by opening the Remitly app or website and logging in with your credentials. Once you're in, navigate to the Send Money or Transfer section. It's usually right on the homepage. Next, select the option for bank transfers or international deposits. You'll need to enter your Revolut account details here. That includes your Revolut account number, sort code if applicable, and the currency you want to use. Remitly supports multiple currencies, so double-check that it matches your Revolut setup to avoid any conversion fees. Now, input the amount you want to deposit. Take a moment to review any exchange rates or service fees that might pop up. In 2025, Remitly has made these more transparent with real-time estimates. Once you're happy with the details, hit the Confirm or Send button. You'll likely get a confirmation email or in-app notification. After that, switch over to your Revolut app. It might take a few minutes to a couple of hours for the funds to appear, depending on the banks involved and any processing times. Keep an eye on your transaction history to track it. A few quick tips to make this even smoother. Always use a secure internet connection to protect your data. Verify your accounts in advance to prevent delays, and check for any promotional offers from Remitly that could waive fees. If you run into issues, both apps have excellent customer support chat features. And there you have it. You've successfully deposited money from Remitly to Revolut. This method is perfect for 2025's fast-paced financial world. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, subscribe for more tech and finance tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.